Hi guys, welcome back. My name is Elenna. I'm going to take you through some yoga. We're going to shake things up a little bit. We're going to do a different type of series for the next probably 6 to 8 weeks. Little shorter segments. We're going to do more targeted body groups. This way, if you only have time for a quick sequence, you can fit it in if you want to. There will be a part 1 and a part 2 to everything, so you can string them together. You can kind of mix and match, and of course, you can always group that with one of the existing classes that we already have online for you. I hope you enjoy. Welcome to Hips and Torso Session 1. We're going to get started. We're going to move into Child's Pose to begin with. So we're going to start with the feet together, knees wide apart. Extend the arms out in front of you. Dropping the head down to the mat. Take a few breaths here. Close down the eyes. And just checking in with how you feel. Connecting to the breath and choosing a word, a mantra, maybe choosing an intention for your practice. Nice, calm breath here. We're going to move and do a little side body work in Child's Pose. So you're going to walk your arms over to the left, bringing the right hand on top of the left wrist, and just breathing down the lengthening right side of the body. Checking in and just making sure you're not holding on to any unnecessary tension. And just melting here. Walking your hands back through center. We're going to move over to the right side. So reaching over, left hand on the right wrist, and now creating that length down the left side of the body. Settling in. With the eyes closed, just breathe. Quiet and empty the mind. Allow yourself now to be present and just tune into your breath. Settling into your edge here. And slowly making your way back to center. Just taking a few breaths in Child's Pose. Straight ahead, just noticing how you feel. We're going to shift our weight forward. We're going to meet in tabletop. So knees right underneath your hips. Hands right underneath your shoulders. We're just gonna move through a couple of cat and cow stretches here. So pull the belly button into the spine. Let the head hang. Releasing the abdomen, looking up to the ceiling. And just moving with your breath. Pull the belly in. Release, looking up. Moving with your breath. And leaning back in tabletop. We're gonna move next into melting heart. So the hips are gonna stay right above the knees. So just be mindful here that you're not shifting forward or back. Walk the hands out. Melting the chest down towards the mat. And again, making sure you're not shifting forward, you're not shifting back. Forehead to the floor. You can use a block to prop the forehead. You can stack the arms if you like. Working again just to open into the chest here a little bit, releasing through the abdomen. Calm breath here. Noticing the sensations in the body, releasing the thoughts in the mind, and breathe. Last few breaths here. And slowly reverse your way up. Take your time. We're gonna make our way right onto our backs. For our last few postures. We're gonna move next into reclined butterfly. Soles of the feet together, creating a diamond shape with the legs, and just allow the knees to relax down towards the floor. If this is too much, grabbing one of your props and placing it on either side underneath the thighs or the knees. If you're okay with the knees hanging, great. We're gonna roll the shoulders down and back, create a little opening into the front side body, palms face up to the ceiling. Settle and close down your eyes. Breathe. Soften here and settle. Connecting to your breath as it moves in and out through the nose. Last few breaths here. And gently bring the hands to the outsides of the thighs. Bring the knees back in together. And just take a few breaths here in stillness, checking in with how you feel. And we're gonna move next into thread the needle. So the knees stay bent, feet are on the floor. You're gonna keep the left foot on the floor. Bend up the right knee, the right ankle on top of the left knee, relaxing the right knee down. And staying right here if this feels good. If you'd like a little bit more, bring left thigh in towards the chest. Interlace your fingers under the left thigh on top of the left shin. Notice what it is that you need. Tuck your chin slightly. Lengthen into the back of the neck. Find whatever variation works for you. Close the eyes. Calm breath. So using a little bit of hand and arm strength, but still making sure you're not holding on to any unnecessary tension. Breathe into the body and allow it to be soft. Soften and settle here. And breathe. Last few breaths. And gently release the left foot to the floor if it's not there already, and then the right. You can let the knees just fall in together for a couple of breaths if you like. We'll move to the other side. So now right foot stays on the ground. To begin with, bend up the left knee and the left ankle on top of the right knee, relaxing the left knee down. Staying right here again if this feels right to you. If you'd like more, right thigh in towards the chest, interlacing the fingers under the right thigh or on top of the right shin. Honoring one side of the body, likely gonna feel a little different than the other. Tuck the chin slightly, find your variation on this side, close down the eyes, and breathe. Breathing into tension, breathing into resistance, and allowing yourself to let it go. Quieting the mind and tuning into the body, staying connected to your breath and just relaxing into this shape. Last few breaths. And gently releasing the right foot to the ground and then the left. Letting the knees fall in together for a few breaths here. and gently making your way to a seated position. Nice long spine, and just checking in again with how you feel. And close your eyes, bring the palms to heart center if that feels right to sealing in your practice. Noticing how you feel. Opening the eyes. Hope you enjoyed. Namaste.